Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I prepared this area for a new dining table, chair, dining set. I purchased online from Raymour and Flanigan. It is first time to order from this brand and never been seeing the real table and chair. At first, I told my husband about we should visit the showroom and see in real what we like and let my husband decide what he wanted and happy to pay. And then ended up I did everything by myself and asked him to look at the picture and decide if the amount, the cost is okay for him to pay. And yes, I would like to tell you a little bit about the background. We have round glass table. The chairs are not the set of them when I came here. Those set of chairs were rotten and I get rid of them and purchased cheap chairs as you see now. And also the office chair I purchased for him. It is more comfortable sitting. And then he told me one day, a while ago, he would like to get rid of this round table and get square or rectangular table. And then didn't talk about anything again. I still keep in mind and started looking. At first, I checked on Wayfair website. I purchased many items from Wayfair. The price are cheap and every single one I need to assemble by myself. Just one thing that I asked husband help when he came home from work. And this time I was looking at Wayfair website and found the design that I like and I show him. I thought at first I gonna get the dining set less than $1,000. If I can get like $500-$600, that gonna be most happy. The happiest. My English. And later on, I think again, every pieces are not real wood and the cost very low and some of them already torn, worn out, broke because they are not real wood. Then I assist my husband, consult. I talk to him because he is the payer. I told him I don't want to get cheap. I want to get real wooden. If he agree to pay a little, in fact, it's not a little, pay much more. And he said, sure, but I have to look if I like them first. And yeah, everything on me. I told him, okay, we should see the real item in showroom after I do research and look. I searched for the furniture shop in our location at zip code and then many things pop up, but I picked Raymour and Flanigan because I like all furniture's pictures on their website. And then I decided I want to have square as I try what we have at home first, move around, take away from the wall and see what space we have left. We have very tiny space as you see, and just two of us, we don't have any guests. Then at first I would like to have rectangular table. I measure radius of the round table and then I look and estimate what we should have. And then I decided, okay, I'm gonna get rectangular table with nice chair on the budget that cost $800 something. But I didn't think about the delivery fee and the assemble fee because I don't want to assembly by my own now. My husband said that's gonna be our challenge. And then I decided, okay, I'm gonna get the item from Raymour and Flanigan. Then I chat with the seller and I got the information I wanted to know. And then the last, I decided, okay, I would like to get the best table, only one in the center, not 4 legs. And I can insert the chair, 2 chairs in one side and 1 chair in another side. And I would like to set the table against the wall at the same, because I wanted to have more space to walk past as the computer desk over there too. You can see what I look for on the picture. I do a lot of research and I decided only 3 days before delivery. And I thought they came from warehouse because before the delivery they text me the date and the period of time, and then on the delivery day they text me again what time they're gonna get here. Also the link I can see tracking where were they, and this is what I capture. I would like to know they're gonna stop exactly last minute or not. I record on the computer and on my cell phone. Yeah, when the timing stop, they show up sooner, not so long, like 5 minutes. And 2 guys came in the house and stay like 5 or 10 minutes. That's it. Very fast. Overall, I am happy. I like the dining table set. I love the chairs. I like high chair. I like strong, solid table. And 2 guys delivery fast and everything good, nice. It's worth for invest the cost. And I thought about this is how we feel when we purchase expensive item and they came out nice, right? Experience for first time purchasing real wood table furniture and first time purchasing from Raymour and Flanigan and online purchasing. Everything is perfect for me. Happy purchasing. And for measurement, need to measurement everything. The width, the length, the long, the height of the table from the floor to the top table, the height, the width of the chair, how we gonna insert the chair, 2 chair, 1 chair, that's what I thought. And the space that we're gonna have left after set up the table, everything. This is what I learned. Because at first I thought I'm gonna get early table and keep that old chair. And I check and I rethink again. What if the table is too high when compared with the chair? And then end up like when we sit on the chair, our face gonna be the same level at the table, and how that work when eat. Anyway, overall, are good. I am happy. I order new set of coaster and I still thinking about should I get placemats. We'll see. We have the fabric, the holder, the fabric holder, pot holder that I use in the kitchen. I never use them. I use that for a moment, but they are okay just for 2 of us. Anyway, I will think again when I see in actual. If I go to the store, I'm not go out shopping much for a while. If I like the color or design, I may get them. If not, it's okay for what we have now, just 2 of us. I am very happy, very, very much of this dining set and very enjoy sitting on the chair, high chair, comfortable chair, very nice chair. I would like to get nicer and more fancy chair and table if my husband have more money, but not so soon. One thing that I learned at first, I look at the table steel leg with fox marble, and I had no idea what fox marble. I look for information later, and okay, it kind of unreal marble, many material from construction. That's what I read, mixing together and resin. They are pretty. At first, I look to get that table, but as I mentioned earlier, I don't like table with 4 legs. I like one leg in the center, or the tight leg together in the center, as same as the round table we have. And then I found this one. Thank you for stopping by, listening to my story, my experience. Very good experience, and I am still would like to show. I don't know the word in English. I try to think when you get new thing and you really love it, and you would like to tell people that I have this just new just now and I really love it. I don't know what word in English. You English native speaker, please tell me what that word. Thank you. Enjoy watching my video to the end. Have a nice day. Bye.